Hello, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to apply for the project officer role at the BC Council for International Cooperation. I'm Thomas Stuart. I'm an instructor at the University of Victoria, where I teach operations management, cross-cultural management, and graduate cross-cultural communication. My work centers on practical, inclusive engagement, planning, knowledge management, negotiation, and team building, so that diverse groups can collaborate across the project cycle and learn as they go. I've long admired how BCCIC convenes partners across BC, centers equitable, just, and decolonized approaches, and turns shared learnings into public engagement. I'd be grateful for the chance to contribute to that ongoing work. Across recent projects, I've supported the full project cycle, from shaping ideas and integrated planning to monitoring, evaluating, and learning. For Vancouver's Green Industrial Innovation District in the False Creek Flats, I recently developed a 5-year stakeholder engagement strategy, set up feedback loops, and interviewed more than 20 community organizations. I then translated the findings into decision-ready summaries. This is how I like to work. I build learning loops, facilitate focused small group discussions, and then turn those dialogues and what we hear in them into clear, funder-ready briefs that help my partners to see progress and next steps. Alongside project experience, I bring graduate-level training in qualitative methods and program evaluation, which I apply to interviews and learning cycles, turning insight into clear reporting. Operationally, I keep projects moving with accessible documentation and shared knowledge systems, clear file structures, version control, and brief searchable summaries so that partners can find agendas, notes, and outputs reasonably quickly. I build practical run-of-show plans and coordination checklists. I maintain shared calendars and task boards and track risks and decisions to reduce rework. For events, I coordinate logistics for online and in-person sessions, venue or Zoom details, speaker briefs, tech checks, and accessibility, and I follow up with public-facing summaries and slide decks. Recordings and transcripts are stored for easy reuse, turning engagement into reusable knowledge. I don't just use these systems day to day, I teach them in specialty 4th year and graduate courses so that they're second nature in my project work. I lead hybrid sessions end-to-end, including breakouts, live captions, recordings, and I keep my teams on pace with Kanban and Agile routines. This will include sprints, stand-ups, and retrospectives. On the communication side, I teach and apply advanced Canva workflows. We'll cover brand kits, locked templates, accessibility checks, and running newsletter pipelines in software like MailChimp, including segmentation, scheduling, basic A/B testing, so that events translate into clear public-facing outputs. Throughout, my facilitation and messaging are grounded in intersectional human rights approaches. Consent-first data practices are really important to me, as are crediting community knowledge and plain language accessibility. My graduate work examined cross-cultural communication and knowledge management through intersectional and decolonial lenses, informing how I strategize project cycles, and these are principles that I see reflected in BCCIC's work culture as well. I'd welcome a conversation about how my project cycle, MEL, and engagement experience can support BCCIC's current initiatives and partner network. I'm ready to begin on your preferred timeline, and I'm available to meet in the Lower Mainland. Thank you for your time and your consideration, and thank you for the leadership that BCCIC provides across BC's international cooperation community. I'd be glad to help strengthen and scale that work.